To broil your food is to cook it by exposing it to direct radiant heat. Broiling places food close to a heating element so that it can quickly cook, brown, char, or caramelize. The word broil is a late Middle English word that comes from the Old French word
brûler,
which means to burn. The term broil is not used in Australia or the UK. Instead, they use grill for both broiling and grilling. The exact definition of broiling is up for debate, but it's generally accepted that broiling heats food through direct radiant heat from above. Some argue that broiling can also be heated from below, though most would call this grilling. This hibachi grill, for example, it fits all the prerequisites of broiling, but it is heated from below. Direct radiant heating occurs when a hot surface warms other objects around it through radiation. For example, when you cook a marshmallow on a fire, the marshmallow is cooking via direct radiant heat. The main differences between grilling and broiling are 1. That a grill is heating from the bottom, and 2. On a grill, the heat is partially separated from the food by a grill, which looks like a metal rack or slotted plating and usually leaves charred grill marks, a process known also as char broiling. These grill marks are made by conduction of heat from the metal into the food. That means that grilling uses both direct radiant heat and conduction cooking. Most ovens have both the baking function and the broiling function. The broiler is usually found either on the ceiling of the oven or in a separate drawer underneath or above the oven. Baking or roasting food in the oven heats the food by surrounding it with hot air. This is called convection, which is when heat energy is carried by a fluid. In this case, the fluid is the hot air, and it's carrying heat energy to the food.